Okay, boys and girls, for writing today, I hope that you watched the video first of our butterflies. So we know that they're out, and for writing today, I want you to write about the life cycle of our butterflies. So you're going to remember what comes first, what comes next, and what comes last. So first, you're going to talk about our butterfly started as an egg, and inside the egg was a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar hatches out of the egg and it eats and eats and eats and eats, and then it makes a chrysalis. While the caterpillar is inside the chrysalis, it's growing and changing, and that process, remember, is called metamorphosis. So it's going through a big change. So when you're thinking about how animals change as they grow, lots of animals just get bigger, and some animals totally change what they look like just as they begin. So a lot of times animals that like frog eggs, they begin as a tiny little jelly egg, and then inside the egg the tadpole is growing, and when it comes out it just looks like a little body with a little tail, and then it develops and goes through also a change called metamorphosis, and it looks different when it is finished growing than when it started. So I want you to think about our butterflies and how they started, what happened to them, and I want you to tell about that process in your writing today. So you could have one page that talks about the butterfly laying an egg on a leaf. Then the caterpillar hatches out. That could be your next page. The third page could be the caterpillar is eating and eating and eating, and then it stops eating, it's really big, and it makes a chrysalis. And then the last part of the life cycle is when the caterpillar has changed and turned into a butterfly. So I want you to take your papers. Remember, you can have 4 or 5 papers. You can use colored paper or white paper, any kind of paper that you like to write stories with, and staple it. You can make it so it goes up to the top like I did with Dazzy's story, or you can make it so it opens to the side like a book. So I want you to write a story today about our caterpillars turning into butterflies.